Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to make some pretty cool free headless avatar tricks. Now I'm going to show you guys how to look headless. Okay, well, when I mean look headless, I mean as if like putting something on your head to make it seem like you're actually headless. So as you can see, we made mommy long legs. So what we can do now is put a head accessory. Alright, let's say this one. And boom, look, it literally looks like we're headless. As you can see, look at that. Come on, face is on the torso, so people's eyes are gonna be focused on the torso, not the head. If you go to accessories, go to back, and equip the Nike shoebox. Do the body type to 100. Boom, look at that. We're headless. Well, this last one, it's not really headless, but it's more of like an illusion. And make your head black. Now you can put the Kid in Asia hair on, and boom. See, look at that. It covers it. This is better, honestly. It's a better hair than the other one with the beanie, this one. But you can put that one as well. This is a quick tutorial on how to become fully headless for free. So 3 ways. So subscribe.